Hi, I'm Cindy with Legacy Woodworking Machinery. This is the third video in this series where I'm building cabinets for my daughter's closet. In the first video, we looked at the design and the programming of the parts, which we programmed in Cabinet Sense. We then cut out the cabinet parts on our CNC. In the second video, we assembled the cabinets. And in this video, we will install the cabinet into the closet. So, let's get going. The first step was to tear out the closet, fix the holes, mud, sand, and paint. To set the toe kick, I marked the wall at 4 inches, used a laser to level both ends, and snapped a chalk line. I located each stud and marked corresponding points on the wall and toe kick. I drilled and anchored holes and adjusted the leveling bolts, which was hard with a broken thumb. I set the toe kick to the chalk line and secured it to the wall using a right-angle driver and 3.5-inch construction screws. I then adjusted the leveling bolts to split the laser beam across the top of the toe kick the entire length of the closet. Finally, we get to install the cabinets. I recruited my husband and a good friend to do the heavy lifting because lifting the biggest box during the assembly process is how I smashed and fractured my thumb. Now you know the colorful wrapped thumb story. Because of the size and layout of the cabinets, it was a bit like Tetris fitting everything in. With the cabinets in place, I set the faces flush and screwed them together. Michael Samarza recommended the FastCap Custom Color Punch Kit. This kit includes a tool for drilling and countersinking the holes, as well as a punch for cutting the perfect caps out of the edge banding. Check it out, it was really cool. Once the cabinets were screwed together, I ran a string across the front from end to end. I pulled each cabinet forward to touch the string except for the drawer cabinet, which was set back 3/4 of an inch for the drawer fronts. With all the cabinets aligned, I pre-drilled using the FastCap system and fastened the cabinets to the toe kick. Now to the drawers. During the design process, I chose to use the Häfele Matrix P50 system drawer. The system drawers come with drawer glides and sides, but to my surprise, it did not include hardware, which delayed the project. The drawer assembly is slick. I chose to use 5/8-inch thick white melamine, which I cut out on the CNC. The drawer bottom fits directly into the side brackets. Clamps held it together as I secured the bottom and back with 1/2-inch truss head screws. I also screwed the back of the drawer to the bottom to eliminate any gaps. The holes for the drawer glides were not drilled into the cabinet due to a programming error. Once again, Michael's suggestions were invaluable. I used the Cabinet Sense model to program a template, cut it out on the CNC, and then was able to drill the holes for the glides. The glides are mounted using a Euro screw, which I ordered separately. I really like the soft close feature. Here is the before and after. Merry Christmas, Roxy. In the next video, I will show how I install the drawer fronts and finish the toe kick, which technically completes this project. But my husband wants to build and install barn doors. Legacy builds an incredibly versatile woodworking CNC, unleashing unlimited possibilities. With your imagination, there is no limitation. For full information on Legacy's full line of woodworking CNC systems, please visit our website by clicking on the link below, or you can give us a call at 801-491-0010. Make your day great.